Are you sick of your over-the-counter medicine not working for your allergies? And look how ridiculously expensive it is anyway. So we are going to make our own remedy at home. I'll show you how. I literally woke up in the middle of the night to take allergy medicine. This isn't working. Let's ditch that. And I'm going to take this instead. Show you how I made it. We are making some allergy medicinal capsules with some nettle leaf and some alfalfa leaf. So I'm adding a cup of both. Blend it. Here's my capsulate. Bring it closer. This was the Best Buy. The capsules are already separated, the bottoms and the tops. Honestly, that's what takes the longest. All 100 are in. Now this is a way fine powder. It'll fit in better. This is what I was looking for. The tamper. Pushes it down. Now we're doing the capper lids. When I first did this, I didn't realize you put the caps in open side up and then flipped it over and put them over the top. That would have really helped me a lot of issues. I did it wrong the first time. This is how you do it. Ta-da! Oops! Now I have 100 capsules of natural allergy medicine, and I'm going to take them and see how they work for me. Yay! Okay, I'm ready to take my allergy. I called him Neil because it's nettle and alfalfa leaf. He needs a nickname. Okay, I'm going to take 2 of these guys. So I don't have to wake up in the middle of the night to take any other kind of medicine. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, down the hatch. Hopefully that works. I will let you know how it goes. After taking these for a couple weeks, I have discovered it is best to take one a day as a prevention. Happy homesteading!